RNZI News at 5. Kia ora, good evening. Ko Katrina Bandanaho. The climber who was trapped on Mount Aspiring has been flown to Dunedin Hospital after being rescued from the mountain. The weather finally broke this afternoon, allowing a helicopter to reach the climber and his rescuers. Conan Young has more.
The mood at Wanaka's Landstar base is one of relief after Terry Harch and his rescuers were lifted off Mount Aspiring shortly after 3:30 this afternoon. The 29-year-old Australian soldier spent 3 nights trapped and alone on the mountain before volunteer rescuers finally reached him about 5 o'clock yesterday evening. He was reportedly in good spirits despite his ordeal, but weather meant he had to stay up there for almost another 24 hours. A search and rescue spokesperson, Phil Melchior, says rescuers are pleased with the outcome, which could have been so much worse considering the circumstances. Mr. Harch will be treated in Dunedin for frost nip. This is Colin Young.
Far-right Canadian duo Lauren Southern and Stefan Molyneux won't be making a public appearance in New Zealand.